In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a KPI dashboard in Monday.com. We'll start right from your Monday.com homepage. From there, look for the blue plus button that lets you add something new to your workspace. Click it to open the creation menu and choose Dashboard. A dashboard is a flexible canvas where you'll bring together key performance indicators from your boards so you can monitor progress and trends at a glance. Give your dashboard a clear, descriptive title. Pick a name that instantly tells anyone what they're looking at, like Weekly Sales KPIs, or Support Team Performance. A good title makes it easier to find later and sets expectations about what's inside. Before you create it, choose the right privacy setting. Main means it's visible to your team in the account, which is perfect for internal metrics everyone needs. Private keeps it limited to selected members, which is useful if you're tracking sensitive data. If you're not sure, start with private and adjust later once you confirm who should have access. When you're ready, click Create Dashboard and you'll land on a blank canvas. Next, add your first widget. Click Add Widget and select Chart. Charts are ideal for visualizing trends over time or comparisons across categories. As soon as you add it, you'll be prompted to connect data. Click Connect Boards to get started. Choose one or more existing boards that contain the metrics you want to report on. Think of your sales pipeline, marketing campaigns, product roadmap, or customer support tickets. Connect the boards that hold the data columns you'll summarize, such as numbers, statuses, dates, or people. When you've made your selections, click Done. Your chart widget will load and you can adjust its settings to frame your KPI clearly. Pick the grouping that best answers your question, by status, by owner, by time period, and choose a chart type that makes the result obvious at a glance. Line for trends, bar for comparisons, and pie for composition are solid defaults. With your first visualization in place, add more widgets to round out the story. Click Add Widget again, and this time choose Numbers. The Numbers widget is great for must-know figures like total revenue this month, average cycle time, or number of open tickets. Once it's added, configure it to sum, count, or average the relevant column from the connected boards. A tip here, label each number clearly and, if possible, add context like the target or previous period so stakeholders can interpret performance quickly. You can fine-tune the layout as you go. Resize a widget by dragging its edges to give important charts more space and smaller summaries less. Arranging your dashboard in a logical, visual hierarchy, headline numbers at the top, trend charts in the middle, and supporting context below helps viewers scan and understand in seconds. If you're collaborating, consider adding a People widget. This can highlight team members involved in the work or surface assignments related to your KPIs. It's useful for understanding who owns what at a glance and for fostering accountability across the team. Use the filter controls to narrow the view to exactly what you want to analyze. Filter by date ranges, statuses, or owners to exclude noise and focus on what matters. Save commonly used filters so you can switch perspectives quickly during meetings, like toggling between this week, this month, or this quarter. When you're ready to share, use Invite to bring stakeholders into the dashboard. Add teammates who need regular visibility, or invite clients as guests if your plan allows it. Be mindful of permissions so people see only what they should. Finally, if you need an offline snapshot for a presentation or archive, click Export and save the dashboard as a PDF. This preserves your layout and makes it easy to circulate a static report. For best results, export after applying the filter that matches the time frame you want to share. And that's it. You've created a titled, properly scoped dashboard, connected it to the right boards, added chart and number widgets, arranged and resized them, included people context, filtered the view, invited stakeholders, and exported a clean report. With these pieces in place, your KPI dashboard will stay reliable and actionable as your data updates in Monday.com.